Founded in 2004, Shenzhen Yixing Precision Hardware Plastic Company has been committed to the custom processing and manufacturing of high-end photographic camera equipment, car modification, robot parts, audio and smartphone industry precision parts, and plastic parts for 19 years. This is the factory of Yixing Precision Metal and Plastic Company. Let's go and see it.
Yixing has more than 60 CNC machines, complete machining and inspection equipment. Our 4-axis CNC machining accuracy can reach 0.002 mm. Please feel free to contact us in your any available time. We have customers in more than 80 countries around the world. As an experienced production and processing manufacturer, Yixing has distinctive advantages in aluminum machining, anodizing, and assembly, with a team of professionals who have been engaged in high-demand aluminum processing for close to 20 years.
YMP has unique advantages in aluminum processing, anodizing, and assembly. Our company has a professional team that has been engaged in high-demand aluminum processing for 10 years. Multi-axis CNC numerical control equipment, complete processing and testing equipment, and serves customers wholeheartedly 24 hours a day. YMP has excellent sales team organization of nearly 15 people, more than 10 years of foreign trade experience, and has perfect customer service and market operation capabilities. The engineering R&D team consists of functional modules such as mechanical processing group, structural design group, PE group, quotation analyst group, and electro R&D group. Most engineers have more than 5 years of professional R&D experience.
Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from Yixing Precision Metal. Now let me introduce you about our quality control team. We have over 20 people, which includes raw material quality control, inspection during production line, and finished product quality check.
This delicately shaped product is a camera equipment part made of national standard aluminum 7075 raw material produced by Yixing. The finished photographic equipment made by Yixing is widely used in camera stands, remote control equipment, remote control heads, swing arms, and other equipment parts for large-scale performance, movie shooting, and daily shooting. The next product shown is a car park, which uses the surface treatment process of sandblasting and black oxidation. By strictly controlling the tool span and tool shape during the processing, Yixing focuses on customized product and pursues perfect surface appearance to meet the product assembly requirements. Most of the products produced by Yixing are turning and milling composite parts with high dimensional requirements for precision and strict tolerance, such as the robot part made by imported aluminum 7075 raw material that you see now. Adhering to the concept of becoming an excellent custom processing company for precision parts, Yixing is dedicated to providing customers with the most cost-effective precision parts and good service.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.